this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Crypto.com. So from a Crypto.com website, we're going to click on Deposit from the home screen, and here we're going to click on Crypto. Select Solana in here, and right now you need to select the network. So let's click on this, and let's go for SOL, as this is the default one. And also be sure that you select the same one in your Coinbase app, because if you do not match the networks, then your crypto might get lost. So this is a real important step. So let's go ahead and copy this wallet address to our clipboard. And right now, let's go over to our Coinbase app to insert this. So from our Coinbase home screen, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right and click on Send Crypto in here. Paste in the wallet address in the search bar at the top. And after you've done that, click on the wallet section just below that. Select Solana and enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. So I'm just going to transfer everything I have. So I'm going to click on Max and then I'm going to click on Preview. Due to EU regulations, you need to fill in where you are sending your crypto. And if you're not from the EU, go ahead and click on Send. And if you are from the EU, then follow these steps. So you need to click on Exchange, type in Crypto.com and click on Crypto.com in here. Click on Sending to Myself, or if you're not sending to yourself, fill in the recipient's full name and recipient's country of residence, and after click on Continue. After you've done that, you can confirm this transaction by clicking on Send Now at the bottom. So make sure the network is matched and then click on Send Now. And as you can see, we have sent our Solana over to Crypto.com. So let's go ahead and click on Done. So the transaction is now complete and the Solana should be in the Crypto.com wallet soon. And that is for the video. That is how you transfer Solana from Coinbase to Crypto.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.